Hello friends, this is Dipankar from Excellence Gateway. ProX is now Excellence Gateway. Thank you all who has subscribed to our channel. In my previous video, we have learned about Excel data types. Those who has missed my first video, request them to have a look on the same. The link is given in the description box, or you can find out through our website. Website links also given in the description box. I have a data which we will format. This is a plain data and this is formatted data. We will format this data into a presentable format like this. Here we start. First of all, we will select the headings. Just click and drag it. Select fill color as a blue and then select font color as white and then change alignment into center. Yes, and then bold it. Correct. To use border, we will select entire table and we'll click border and we'll select all borders. This like this. This is amount. We will use comma. So just entire select one and then press comma style. After that, we will make sum total of it. We will write total and then we will use sum formula, sum. Yes, and then we will copy it, paste. We will use currency. We will go accounting style and select currency. The rupee symbol is there. We will select bold. Yes, then center and then again table. Yes, that's it. We have done it.